Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bread tikki. This popular snack is surprisingly simple to prepare and perfect for any occasion. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final frying step. Get ready to create a crispy, flavorful treat that everyone will love in just a few easy steps. First, boil and mash your potatoes until they are smooth. Next, take your bread slices and carefully remove their crusts. Briefly dip each slice into water for about 10 seconds, then gently squeeze out all the excess liquid. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture for your tikki. Combine the mashed potatoes and squeezed bread in a large mixing bowl. Now it's time to add some fantastic flavor. Incorporate finely chopped onions, green chilies, and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste into your mixture. Stir in your favorite spices, such as red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala to taste. Mix everything well until fully combined. Then, take small portions and gently shape them into flat, round, or oval tikki patties. Finally, let's fry these delicious tikkis. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a shallow pan over medium heat. Carefully place your shaped tikkis into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are crispy. Serve your hot bread tikkis immediately with your favorite chutney or ketchup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.